So today we will discuss the actual design of quarter joint. So we have just taken one simple problem. So design a quarter joint to transmit a load of 100 kilonewton in tension or compression. Assume the following stresses for socket, spigot and quarter. The allowable tensile stress for the material is 90 Newton per mm square. Allowable crushing stress is 170 Newton per mm square. And allowable shear stress is 60 Newton per mm square. So this is the problem statement where the load acting on the joint is given 100 kilonewton, that is 100 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. The allowable crushing stress sigma c is 170 Newton per mm square. Allowable tensile stress, that is sigma t, is 90 Newton per mm square. And allowable shear stress tau is 60 Newton per mm square. So this is the given data, and for this we have to design the quarter joint. For that, the three important parts of quarter joint, that is socket, this blue one, spigot, this red one, and the quarter, this pin. So this much we have to design, and the dimensions for this already we have discussed all the dimensions related to quarter joint. Once again I repeat this number of dimensions. The diameter of the end rod, that is a small d here, this rod and this rod, at both the end there is a rod or the shaft which are connected to the joint. So diameter of this rod is small d. Then diameter of the spigot is a d1, small d1, and diameter of the spigot collar is a d2. Diameter of outer diameter of the socket, this one, is capital D1, and the outer diameter of the socket collar, this one, is capital D2. Then width of the quarter is a B. Thickness of the quarter, if you go through the side view, you will get the thickness of this quarter, that is a T. Then thickness of this socket collar here, this is C, denoted with the C. Thickness of spigot collar, this one, is denoted with a T1. The distance from the spigot end to the socket end, from quarter to socket end, this much distance is A. So these are the dimensions that we are going to consider. To find out all these dimensions, the procedure is like this. So you need to note down few expression and the procedure of design. So we'll see one by one. The dimension number 1 is diameter of the rod, small d. You just take down these things if you want. So diameter of rod, that is a small d. For this is the cross section area of the rod having diameter small d. So this cross section is subjected to tensile stress. The cross section of the rod is subjected to tensile stress. So the tensile stress induced in the rod is a sigma T, which is equal to force acting on the rod, that is a P, divided by cross sectional area of the rod. So sigma T equal to P divided by pi by 4 small d square. This is the area of cross section of the rod. So sigma T is given 90. The force acting P on the rod is 100 kilonewton, that is 100 into 10 raised to 3, and the area pi by 4 d square. This d, small d, is unknown, that is to be determined. So if you solve this equation, you will get d equal to 37.61 mm, and this is rounded up to the next value, that is d equal to 40 mm. So this is the first dimension we got. So after solving this equation, you get d equal to 37.61. mm. So rounded up to 40 mm. So diameter of the rod is 40 mm. This is the first dimension. So got it? The next dimension is the diameter of the spigot. That is the small d1. So diameter of the spigot, small d1. That is inner diameter. See, if you see this diameter of the spigot, small d1, here it is having the slot for this quarter pin. Okay. So the diameter of the spigot, small d1, for this cross section area is like this. So this diameter d1, and this is the slot with the thickness t. This is the slot inside this spigot. So this cross sectional area is subjected to the stress, tensile stress sigma t. So before that we find out the thickness of the quarter with the standard equation T equal to 0.3 times d, small d, diameter of the rod. So T equal to 0.3 times d. So 0.3 into 40, 40 small d we have determined in the previous equation, that is a 40 mm. So 0.03 0.3 sorry into 40, so it will be for 12 mm. So thickness of the quarter is at 12 mm. Now, as this spigot is subjected to tensile load, the tensile stress induced in this spigot is given by sigma t equal to force acting P divided by pi by 4 d1 square minus d1 into t. So this cross section area with the diameter d1 minus area of this slot, that is the thickness t into diameter d. Considering this as a rectangle, the area of this slot will be d1 into t. So if you consider the area subjected to the tensile load is area of the circle minus area of this quarter slot. So this is pi d1 square divided by 4 minus d1 into t. So if you put the values of the sigma t is given. Yes, yes, any problem? करतायत का? एक मिनिट. बरं, बरं, बरं. मी अलाउ करतो.